All right, everybody. Josh here with Carl's Mower and Saw. This is going to be first look, unboxing, first peek in our world at the Exmark new Vertex machine. So we're getting a little glimpse of it through the plastic. Sorry about the shakiness. I'm going to walk around here, and then we're going to go ahead and break this thing open. Fire it up, kind of get a first impression. See how this thing looks and what is different about this versus the Staris, which was last year's mower. All right. Hey, check it out. See in the background there, that nice gray up high? That's our new building coming into shape. We should be moving into that mid-2022. Okay. Hey, everybody. Again, this is Josh with Carl's Mower and Saw, and we're going to break into this Exmark Vertex 48. We have not had one here yet. It actually showed up a little bit earlier today. And I just said, don't touch it, guys. Don't touch it, to my shop so that we could open it together and take a peek at it. So first things first, let's break down this crate. And then we'll cut some plastic and some straps off, and we'll kind of see what's underneath there. All right, here we go. Should we start with the plastic? Let's start with the plastic. Let's start peeling this up. I should be making some dramatic sound effects, some dramatic music. I don't know why I cut that. That would have been fun to fling at my kids. My kids would have liked that thing. Keep on the peel. Woo, baby. You look nice. You look pretty. Your Kawasaki FX 730 engine. Unhooked there. So I personally haven't done a lot of studying up on this machine yet. This is replacing, yeah, I'll use the word replacing, although it's not fully replacing because they're keeping the Staris in the smaller 32 and 36 inch. But this is coming in to replace the 44 and 48 inch Exmark Staris mower, which is a little bit more compact stand-on. So this is a larger framed stand-on. I'm going to put some gas in it, then I'll grab the camera and we'll do a little closer walk around here. We got to find the key, which is hiding in the owner's manual right here. Okay, nice big flat free front wheels tires. You got 2010 8s on the back. The Ultra Cut 4 deck. It looks as though the engine stays stationary. We'll take a peek at that in just a minute. See if that moves up and down with the deck or if it stays stationary. Huge gas tank here on the side with a gauge. We got our parking brake right there. Sorry about this, trying to watch my camera and where my feet are going. A generous size foot platform, a nice large pad for operator comfort. We got some bogey wheels in the back. Looks like there's some quick knobs to get to the back end, probably to the hydro service. And then we've got easy to use height of cut. So this pin system you may recognize, Exmark uses that on a lot of their their laser products. And we've got the notches coming down. So an FX 730 on a 48 inch deck. It's a good looking machine. Let's fire this up and see how she sounds, how she drives off of the crate. Haha, that's wonderful. I bet the battery's not hooked up. It's always fun to do an unboxing and not get something right. Sure enough, the battery is not hooked up. And it looks like I'm going to need a 1/2 inch wrench, which I didn't prepare for. I think we can kind of cheat it here a little bit. Woo! step this off to the side. So I'm guessing that based on this rear platform going up and down being spring loaded, there's probably a safety switch tied into that. Take the parking brake off, and the parking brake is simply just a compression, a bar style. The machine will stay running with the parking brake off. So we've got bar in the back for the forward, and then bar in the front for the reverse. Just like any stand-on or zero turn would be. Controls like so. Let me move out of the way a little bit, get off of that string, and let's engage this mower deck. I'll drop it down a little bit. All right, we got the lock pin up here. Let's set it to, say, 2 inches. I like this nice large handle, and that deck does go up. You notice the engine is attached to that, is part of that mechanism. But there's nice springs to help with that. It's how smooth. The Exmark deck's always engaged so smooth. No clatter, no vibration, no chatter. They have these things engineered so well. Lift that deck up. I'm going to try this safety switch a minute. So I'm going to engage the blades. And if I step off, aha, there we go. It kills the blades or stops the blades. So there we go, guys. The Exmark Vertex 48-inch mower. We have one at Carl's Mower. I think it's already spoken for. But stop by your local dealer, and maybe you can get a glimpse or take a ride on the new Exmark Vertex 48.
Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.